I'm sorry, Earth, for the fear I've known, for feeling unsafe, for walking alone. Please forgive the times I lost my base. Thank you for holding me in your grace.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you.
I'm sorry, soul, for hiding my light, for shaming my joy and sensual right. Please forgive the tears unspoken. Thank you for the parts now awoken. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, self, for playing small, for doubting my strength, ignoring the call. Please forgive my need to hide. Thank you, now I rise with pride. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you.
I'm sorry, heart, for the walls I made, for closing you off, for love delayed. I forgive the pain and fear. Thank you, love, for drawing near.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, voice, for staying unheard, for swallowing truth, for silencing words. Please forgive the fear to speak. Thank you for making my voice unique. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you.